Hey, you guys, come do a deep clean with me. Oh my God, I start school very soon. So I had to make my bed up, clean my dresser, my end table. My God, look disgusting. You see how crowded my dresser look? I had to clean my fridge and also take out the trash, clean both of my closet. Look at that over there. It's so much stuff in my closet. So it's 7:36. So let's do it. Okay, so now it's 8:05, and I know you guys gonna freaking judge me when I open this closet door. Like, yes, I know. It's a mess. I know. And also this closet over here, a mess. But we're gonna clear all that up, so let's get into it.
Hey, y'all don't judge me for. Oh, they judge me. Hey, y'all don't judge how I'm putting these on these hangers, okay? I don't have that many hangers. I will be getting some later down the line. And I'm also going to go through these jeans and pants because some of them I can't even fit anymore. I had them since I was in ninth grade. Do not judge me. Ninth grade year. I haven't grown, but I have gained some weight. Even though y'all don't see it, I see it. But these I know I probably cannot fit. But yeah, I normally just put two jeans on the hanger. Let's start hanging. You guys, so now I just got done with putting all my photo clothes in my drawer. So now I'm going to bring my brother in here. I may not record it, but you'll see a glimpse of the process of what we're doing, and really can't wait to get this done because I want to have a clean, decluttered room in mind, because you know your room is cluttered, your mind is cluttered too. So let's just get this over with. Be back. Okay, you guys, made a lot of progress. A lot of progress. Oh, I got so many shoes. This pal's going to Goodwill. So we're making pretty good progress. Now, I cannot say I was not a Hannah Montana fan. I'm cleaning out my closet right now. I have a Hannah Montana sleeping bag. I have a Hannah Montana jewelry thing. I have a lot of Hannah Montana stuff. So I would definitely be going to her concert. Okay, you guys. So I think I cleaned my closet. Now it's just with shoes. Like, it's a lot of shoes now. I can easily just get in here. Everything's clean. And I'm thinking about putting like another new light. Focus. Another new light right there, up there. And then these jeans I haven't went through yet, but I intend to go through them tomorrow. And also tomorrow I'm going to go through all of this and clean up what's right here. Hmm. I should start opening these more often.
It's in 800.
Oh, look for your free gift inside. Man, give me $100. I'm just about to throw this. I'm gonna throw this.
You should have just told me to open it. I'm gonna put it in my pocket while your back is turned.
If you made it towards the end of this video, thanks so much for sticking around. Here's the before and here is the after. I deep clean as much as I possibly could and it looks so great. I hope this motivated you to deep clean your space. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.